The next important step is to determine how many days are actually billable, as on top of your production during or between the projects, you also do an administrative work like answering emails, managing your workflow, preparing invoices and contracts. By the way, I will make an additional course that will be dedicated to contracts only. So if you're interested, sign up to newsletters on Freelance World website and you'll be notified when it is available. Now back to the billable days. Between the projects, you also might use marketing, advertising and sales in order to find a network with new or old clients. Furthermore, there are vacation and sick days. So all of that needs to be taken into account, as otherwise, if you would divide your planned revenue amount by all the days in the year, you would assume that you are in the production each day of the year. In such case, you would charge your day or hour less than you really should. Therefore, we have to exclude the administrative and marketing days from our calculations in order to cover their costs by our production days. First, you have to determine your ratio between your production, administrative, and marketing days. Think of how much do you actually spend working and how much answering emails and preparing invoices and documentation. Let's say 75% for production and 25% for administrative, and probably you don't do any sales or marketing yet, so 0%. If you do, break it down accordingly. As freelancers, we also should exclude weekends from our working days. Therefore, instead of 365 days, we get 260 working days in a year. Next, write down your number of vacation days and public holidays per year. You can find it in Wikipedia or just Google vacation by country. If you scroll down, there will be a table for each country there. Next, include your sick days per year, because freelancers are not completely covered by sick pay. Roughly but honestly, how many days you might get ill, statistically speaking. Once you fill it in, you will see your total billable days per year. This is the number of actual working days that you are in production. These determined billable days will be automatically used in our calculations and help us find our precise hourly rate and revenue further on.